Thank you very much to ECloth, who have kindly gifted me this window cleaning set. So this cloth here is known as the waffle cloth, which you use to actually remove the dirt. Once you've removed the dirt, then you use this polishing cloth. So I'm going to give it a really tough challenge today. This is the window that I'm going to be cleaning. So it's not an easy task to clean this window with only water. So let's see how we get on. So that was just one wipe around the inside, and you can see that's picked up a lot of dirt. I'm very impressed. So now I'm going to rinse it off, give it another go over, and then do the outside. The windows inside and out have been wiped down, and now it's time for this mega polishing cloth. So I'm going to fold it into a pad and dry the window, and hopefully we'll have some good results. Would you look at that? What a finish, eh? Perfect. Overall, I would say that this definitely lived up to its promises. I really enjoy this cloth. It makes it very easy to pick up the dirt, grime. You can feel it sort of collecting it as you go. And then the ECloth polishing cloths are honestly the best polishing cloths I've ever used. They just pick up so much water so quickly. And there is the result. Very, very happy with that. Very easy. I'm very impressed. Thank you very much, ECloth.